Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to contact support at tofro.com. For that, simply open your web browser and search for tofro.com. Then provide your login credentials and login into your account. Now once you are in your account, if you just scroll down a bit, you will be able to see their email address, which is crypto@tofro-usa.com. So you can simply tap on it and you can use this email in order to contact support at tofro.com. The second thing that you can do is you can simply tap on this profile icon of yours in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you can just scroll down and select the option of Help Center. If you select Help Center, you will see a bunch of different pre-made articles which you can simply tap on and go through these articles if you are facing any kind of problems. And if you have found the article here, you can simply read it and you can just simply use those steps in order to solve your problem. But if you want to connect with a human support here, simply tap on the customer service option. Then you can also type your question over here and send on this page, and you can contact to the customer service this way as well. So I have given you 3 different options of contacting to the support at tofro.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you like, share and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Also, don't forget to press that notification bell to not miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.